Okay, so hi dear Libra, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a no contact reading for all the Libra Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 21st of August. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your story at all. Please don't try to fit yourself into the story forcibly. I'm requesting you guys, okay? Want to be reader like me? You can purchase my course. Link is given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. Let's see. I'm so sorry about my hair. Let's see, Libra. The person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment. We have the Ace of Wands, the Page of Pentacles, the World card. So it's like this is a desire. It's like a wish unfulfilled kind of energy from this person's side. They think about you when, especially whenever they are with themselves, they are silently sitting somewhere, or just being with themselves. They think about the situation a lot. They visualize having a brand new beginning also in this direction, but they feel like even if they are going to do something in this direction, there is no way this situation is going to work out or start again, or they have their own perception that this situation is kind of over and gone. So even if they are going to come towards you as a friend, it's not going to work out, or it's going to backfire or something like that. But this person definitely feels unfinished business between you guys. Even if things are completely done, even if this chapter is over, they still feel the unfinished business, unresolved kind of energies between you and them. Yeah, this is that kind of energy where when I am, suppose I was in love with you madly and something happened and we ended the situation, and we know that this is never going to work out, or we are never going to be together again or whatsoever. But whenever I am alone, I think about the situation a lot. I think about how it could have been, right? But I feel like at the same time, I feel like even if I'm going to go uh like come towards you, it's not going to work out. So what's the use of even going in this direction? That is the kind of energy this person is having right now regarding the situation. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Libra? We have the Temperance and the Lovers and the Seven of Cups. Hmm. To be honest with you, this person don't know what they want from you, from this situation, from their love and relationship area. They want to patiently wait for the right time when they will be able to pick up the right person, the right energy at the right time. Maybe they have other options that they are dealing with, and or definitely one person, one energy apart from you that they are dealing with in their life, and they are not able to understand whether the person that they are already with is the right person for them, and or they should like keep their options open, and in those options you are also one of the options. Frankly speaking, Libra, this person don't know what they actually want from this situation. They are with somebody else, there is something else that they're stuck on, and they're patiently waiting for the time when they will be able to understand properly and honestly with all of their heart and soul that whatever situation they are in, whatever person they are involved with, is the right person for them or not, whether they should just go ahead with that person, that energy only, or they should keep their options open. They're waiting for the time when they will be able to sort it out within themselves. Right now they're not super focused on resolving the issue between you and them. Right now they are trying to focus on themselves and trying to understand whether the person, the energy that they're involved with, is the right person for them or not. Their focus is not this situation, this connection. Especially if it's been more than 6 to 7 months of no contact, this energies of wanting to be with you is kind of fading away. It's not very strong. Hmm. Not completely gone, but not very strong also. That's what I'm getting. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the what we have 21st of August. We have the Death and the Rebirth and the Emperor and the Page of Swords. Hmm. See, there is a definite energy of stalking you from a distance, watching you from a distance. This person is definitely going to let their guards down in some way. They're not going to be as egoistic or as much in their energy of controlling each and everything in their life. It's like their energies are loosening up a little bit towards love and relationship area, not towards you in particular, in general. So they might end up connecting with you, like saying hi, hello to you, nothing more than that. This is what their energies are. This is how their energies are loosening up, where they are finally opening up to you, just as a random stranger kind of a person, where they're like, okay, let's try, let's see if Libra is going to reply or not, or if Libra is going to, just ignore me or something. I don't see very high chances of them contacting you. If they are going to connect, they are just going to say hi or hello or something very casual, nothing more than that, because they are not sure about this connection at all. Like 0% surety, 0% expectations, and plus there is other energy, other person, other situation that they are stuck on, where they are trying to figure it out. So there is a lot of mess that they need to clear in order to come forward towards you, and right now they are not in that zone to clean up the mess and come forward towards you properly and honestly. I don't think so that's happening as of now. It's going to take some more time. They're not even sure whether they have emotions for you or not. What's the use of even connecting with you? They have a point here. Yep. For you, the guidance here is the Chariot. If you're moving forward and if you're planning to not to look back, that's a good idea. That's a superb idea for you, because I don't see this person's energies directed towards you at all. Only you can say out of 100%, only 10 to 15% energies are directed towards you. That too, with this you can say curiosity of, I know it's never going to work out between me and Libra, what's the use of even going towards them, right? So they might end up connecting with you out of curiosity. They don't have any plan, they don't have any emotions, they don't have a solid energy of, okay, let's do it or something. I'm sorry to break your heart, Libra, if it is breaking your heart, but I think this reading is kind of an eye opening kind of energy for you, where I am breaking an illusion for you that this person, this energy is not at all sure in their life regarding this connection, regarding any connection, to be honest with you, like in their love and relationship area, regarding any connection that they're any person, any energy that they're connected to. So what's the use of waiting for this kind of person who don't know what they want, who don't know what they feel, and who are kind of treating you like an option, like, okay, I'm going to try maybe sometime later on, or I have to figure it out with somebody else or something else first. So this person is definitely keeping you as an option that they might connect with, you know later on at some point of time in their life, when they feel like, okay, now I can. So Libra, you are wasting your precious time, energy, and resources by waiting for this person, this energy that's not actually even sure about you. So now it's completely up to you. If you're planning to never look back, that's actually a good choice for you. That's actually a good thing for you. Okay, so thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.